Well, 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 what do we have here? Another great shipment from AccuQuilt this morning. We're over here in Ladyfingers AccuQuilt World in Olney, Pennsylvania. It's kind of a rainy day this morning, so this is a really good time to open and see what's new. There are 3 brand new dies that are making their debut. I've been waiting a long time for these, and I know you have too. We love our block on board idea because you have all of the shapes on one die board to make a block, and this one happens to be Snail's Trail. Those of you who have been customers of Ladyfingers for many years know that one of our most popular blocks of the month happens to be the Snail's Trail block, and we call it Smoothies because we think this is like looking down into the top of a blender. So get on board with us with this block on board for Snail's Trail. This makes an 8-inch finished block. So the dies are available for you to purchase today. They're already on our website, and you can enjoy great savings when you shop with Ladyfingers. Now the next block on board, another one perfect for fall, is Maple Leaf. This is an 8-inch finished block, and this die will fit in all 3 cutters. So it'll fit in the Go Me, the Go, and the Go Big cutter as well because it's narrow. Don't forget, when you purchase a die like this shape, you're going to want to get the 6 by 24 inch mat to go along with it. I love this because the way AccuQuilt separated the dies makes it easy for you to mix and match colors so that you're using the fabric most efficiently. So another great die board. There's a pattern on the back, really cute runner. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be making that real soon. And then there's one more die in here. Maybe there's another box, Bill. Yep, there's another box, so hang in there. We're going to open another box with die number 3 is going to be in there, okay? Well, box number 2 is here. Isn't it neat how boxes just magically appear here at Ladyfingers? And I have a feeling this is the 3rd brand new die. Oh, there's some more maple leaves, so get those orders in. These are already on our website. Lots of nice maple leaf dies. And there's one more die I wanted to share with you this morning. I knew it was coming. Now, check this out. This is called Starry Path. And this is a 9-inch finished block. So realize the other 2 were 8-inch finished blocks. And those sizes will mix and match. Those of you who have an 8-inch cube or have lots of 2- and 4-inch finished shapes, here you go. You can mix and match to make some really exciting quilts. This one's a 9-inch finished block. So this is going to go well with your 9-inch cube, where you can alternate blocks with the Starry Path, or you can make a quilt just like this on the back. This one is called Starry Night Wall Hanging, and you can bet that I don't know about you, but I would not want to conventionally piece those long skinny triangles, and this even is kind of better than paper piecing because after you've cut and sewn your block, you don't have any paper to tear off later on. So Starry Path, brand new, it's here in stock, and you can shop online at www.ladyfingersewing.com, or you can also call us at 610-689-0068. That's all for now from Ladyfingers. Have a great day.